Then we have to rough it out.
Oh boy.
Wow.
For the inside, we're going to use the same kind of system.
French machine. Unbelievable. Moving that thing around. His leg.
Wow.
Less two
Unbelievable.
parts than those in the units. Okay. But not finished yet. When I started,
Oh.
half the way. They dry 4 weeks, and once they dry, we have polished and sandwich. The final result then, a shoe for a child of 4 years old. And they might look really big, they actually are quite big. But that's also because we wear it big, we have finger space. That way. Reasons to wear them, they're very strong. But also waterproof.
Waterproof.
Right, that's how it's done. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank
Thank you.